There's nothing called failure in digital marketing industry. If you are a business owner and a marketer, then this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Amit, a small town guy turned into digital marketing and business technology consultant, speaker, trainer, and a blogger. Today I'll tell you 3 reasons why digital marketing doesn't work for all the people. Broadly, there are only 3 reasons why digital marketing doesn't work. Before going ahead in the video, let me tell you one thing. There is always a way, either you make it or find it. The first reason is your products, services and ideas are not fit to go digital. Improve the products, services and ideas to take them to the digital world. The second reason is your mindset. You are confused, you are scared whether digital marketing would work for you or not. So do not stop before you try. Improve your mindset. The third reason is the digital marketing team you are working with is not capable enough to promote the products, services and ideas on digital world. So improve the digital marketing team. Remember, there is always a way, whether you find it or make it.